Guys, welcome back to my channel Gamer Sidhu 490. So today we are playing Bed Wars again. Sorry for the delay of my videos because my exams were going on. So sorry about that. Now let's go. Protect our bed. No red. Cover it. Fast, quick. Yes. Oh my god. What a combo. Oh my god, my butterfly clicked so hard. Okay, 20 iron. Let's buy some blocks. Go. I need to buy iron sword. Let's go, iron sword. Iron sword, let's go. Go. Okay, they are not here still. Let's go. 12 iron, please. 12. Please, okay. Go. Iron armor. Let's go. And that there. Let's go, we are ready. Come here. Okay, Wally Bear skin. Don't worry, you are not good as Wally Bear. I think. Oh my god, our team. Okay, we are coming red. Red. Oh my god. 2. Please. Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I installed a new texture pack, which is 128x, I think. So if you guys like it, please leave a like and subscribe. Green, okay, we are, I think, okay, we are yellow team and green team is here. Okay, I killed him. Let's collect these, buy some blocks and store these in your chest. Let's go. I think red has no bed. Let's go. I'm going to kill one of them. Go. Kill my game. Go. Yes, I killed one of them. Okay, let's buy some golden apples. Oh my god, my iron sword. Okay, let's buy an iron sword. No. Green, okay. Our bed, no, our bed got destroyed. Shoot. Let's buy some golden apples because my health is too low. Let's go. Don't come here. Let's pick this iron sword. Okay. Now, with these iron, let's buy fireballs. Let's go, fireballs. Let's go. I need my iron sword. Inventory, please. Okay. That there. Fireballs, golden apples. No. Go. Go. Come on, no. Let's play again, guys. So guys, the game is starting in 2 seconds. Let's go. Game started. Where is the iron I need? I think we are okay. That side is, I think, yellow or blue or green. Okay. Now let's 8. Okay, let's go. Okay, some of our teammates are AFK. Come on, wake up. Cover our bed. Okay. This side. No, nobody is here. Let's go. Let's go. My god, wake up. Hi. Okay. He came. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Come here. Oh my god. He's noob. He's a big noob. I need 16 iron. Let's go. And 8 gold also. Let's go. That. and blocks. Let's go. I don't need this wool. Freaking bad defense now. Okay, blue. Okay, he's not coming here. Let's go. Cover our bed with the mighty sandwich bed defense. Let's go. That no, break it. The mighty sandwich bed defense, guys. Let's go. No, I did it wrong. Okay, break that. And the mighty sandwich bed defense is is ready. Let's go. And okay, who gave me all this goodies? Let's go. Oh my god, I don't want any phones here. Wait a minute, guys. So guys, yellow team is attacking us. Let's go. No, I'm not finding this guy. Where is this guy hidden? Okay, I think. Oh my. Okay. Please take damage with that. Oh my god, how will I take damage? Yeah. Okay. Oh my. Kill him, please. Thank you. And you're dead now. Bye. Let's go. He's dead. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's buy some silver fishes, guys. Let's go. Okay, let's buy iron golem and a silver fish. Put that right there. Where? Okay. Where is he? Oh my god. Okay. He's defending our base. Let's go. That right there. Do not think about that. Hello. We have. Oh, silver fish. Oh my god. What? Why did you take damage? Take that. Let's go. Oh my god. Go. Let's buy some more. Oh my god. From where? Okay, that and some stuff in my ender chest. Let's buy silver fishes. Okay, I can only buy 2. Do not worry, guys. 2 is enough. Okay. Why are you following me? Please die. Hello. No. He's okay. Cool. I'm buying a fireball. How much is a fireball cost? Okay, 46. Let's go. I have the amount of the fireball. Okay, it's 40. Oh my. Silver fish down. Another. Let's go. No. Oh, wait. Okay, we want a victory in this. Go. Hit him. Let's go. I hit him. Okay. Our butterfly clicked so hard. Go. Kill. No. Okay, so guys, I'm playing duels now. Let's go. I don't know who I'm playing with. Go. Water bucket, lava bucket. Let's go. Eat our golden apple. Go. Place our lava bucket down. Yes. Go. Go, 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 go. Kill him, kill him. No. No, no. I'm going to play again, guys. Okay, I started it again. Let's go. 6, 5. Build your HC. I'm going to eat a golden apple first. Let's go. Okay. Oh, kill him, kill him. No. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we got a victory. Let's go. Okay, I'm playing again with the same person and he left the game. Wow. Okay, so guys, I'm playing sumo now. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Ow, ow. No, my aim. Okay. Oh, I got control on my... I'm going to play again. Sumo. Okay, guys, I'm playing the bridge and he left the game. Wow. Super. Okay, somebody joined. Okay, I was going to end the video, but somebody joined the game. Let's go. Where? Okay. I'm going to rush this guy. Go. No. Okay. Cool. Oh my god, he's so noob. Oh. Let's go. No. Please, blocks. No, he's so pro. Go. No. And yeah. 1. Go. Let's go. Okay, I kill him. Yes. Okay, he saved me. Kill. Kill myself. No. 2, 1. Go. Oh my god, he's hacking. How? Like, how can anyone? Go. Build up. No. Go. Okay, I killed him like... Oh my... Do not think... Oh, how? Oh no! Oh my god. I'm also going to clutch this game. Don't worry, guys. Oh my... Let's go. I think that will hit him. Go. Don't. Oh my god, I almost clutched it. Go. No. Oh, go. I'm going to clutch this game. Do not worry. Guys! I'm going to... That. Yes. Let's go. Hit this guy shot. No! Come on. Let's go. Okay, he fell to his death. Oh! He's not dead. No. Do not think about that. Go! So guys, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe guys. Bye guys.